everyone! How are you today?
Hi!
Today, we are all going to Hoopa's construction site. Today's a special day. Hoopa is going to build a playground, but not just any playground. It's for someone really special. The special someone is you, Toto.
Yay!
Let's head over to Hoopa and see if we can help him. Ready? Let's go! There's Hoopa! Hi, Hoopa! Uh-oh, it looks like the place the playground's going to be is in a big mess. Hoopa is going to need something to help clean it all up. Let's go find it. Whoa, they could definitely help Hoopa. But Hoopa can't decide which one to use. Come on, let's take a closer look. Here's a crane. Yep, that could be handy. And here's a forklift truck. That sure is strong. And here's a bulldozer. Wow, cool, huh? Can you help Hoopa decide which machine could be best for the job? A crane? A forklift truck? Or a bulldozer? The bulldozer? Perfect! Wow, look at Hoopa go! Awesome job, Hoopa! Now you can start building Toto's playground. Maybe that mouse will help too. That was great! I hope you'll come and help Hoopa again next time, guys. Bye-bye!